Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background from a signature in Photoshop. Let's start by adding your signature to Photoshop. Then go to the top menu and click on Select and choose Color Range. Make sure Select is set to Sample Colors and use the eyedropper tool to sample the color of your signature. Set the fuzziness to 200 and click OK to select the signature. Next, go to the bottom and click on Layer Mask to remove the background. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.